So you want to start email marketing and don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm going to be showing you Jarvis.ai. It's a free copyright ad copywriting system or advanced AI that'll show you how to write emails in a few easy steps. All right, now I'm just going to go over to the template section here. Okay, now we're going to go over to email, but they have different uh, things here: options framework, email, website, blogging, ads, e-commerce, social media. They have some new stuff over here. They have Google, video, and SEO. So we're gonna be going over to email in this example. We're gonna show you how to write a cold email and do like a whole series. Okay. Now I already have some stuff in here that I'm already promoting called Web Talk, and then I'm just gonna use this as a quick example for time purposes. Okay, so all we're gonna have to do down here is generate the content. Okay, and we're just gonna wait for that to generate. All right. So it says hi first name. I'm sure you're well aware of that. Facebook's average revenue per user is $29.56 per user. This was as of 2020 or 2019, I believe. But users don't see the benefits. I'm not affiliated with Facebook and I have no intention to be in the future. Instead, focus on what already exists. Web Talk focuses on new paradigm. So we'll just skip that one. Let's see. Paid social media is here. Okay, so paid social media is here. No more spending all your time on Facebook and Twitter for free. Now you can get paid to post content and share it with your friends. Earn up to blah 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 per user without having to spend any time on the platform at all. Facebook's average revenue per user. You can also choose what gets posted from our selection of curated posts in addition to customizing your own messages. Posting becomes a breeze, and don't forget to forget repeat customers. We have 10% residual commissions on pro upgrades, referrals, and 10% commission on all other referral purchases as well. All right, so that's a good one. Let's see. Let me just regenerate this. You just keep on doing this to create your email list here. Right, so we'll just. I'm sure you know that Facebook's average revenue per user is $29.56, but what you may not know is that users don't see the benefits. Yet, as a business owner and entrepreneur, it's important to me that I can provide my team with all the tools they need to succeed. That starts with making smart decisions about the social media platforms we use. WebTalk is a new social media platform which pays you up to 10% ad revenue, up to $2 personally, and from referrals. Additionally, for every qualified affiliate who signs up, WebTalk via Pro Referral Upgrade, you earn $5. WebTalk will pay you each of your referrals and yourself an additional 10% commissions on each person you bring in. So that is a good one. Of course, you have to edit it a little bit, but you get my point. So you get to do these. It's just generated for you from this virtual assistant Jarvis.ai. Okay, and that's for people who don't either want to not say learn email marketing, but who can't think of anything or who don't have the money to pay virtual assistants. You just come in here and create a 7-day or even 10-day follow-up, even 30-day follow-up email list without paying out the pocket for it. Right now, if you want to click on it, get a free trial, just go ahead and click the link below. And thank you for viewing my channel.